Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Slick with the kicks over here. Man, I'm in the travesty over here. I'm walking right here on the winter storm. And I was going to Kohl's because I had something in mind, dude, for man, I'm getting notifications already. It's gonna be interesting right here. So you see over there, Dick's Sporting Goods over there closed. Freaking Kohl's closed because of the winter storm that's already kind of here. I mean, it already plowed in, but it's looking like it's coming down even more, even worse a little bit later. It's already setting, the sun's setting already. So what we're doing is, man, the camera, okay, wait a second. Listen, we in the elements over here. So I've been walking like about 30 to 40 minutes from my, oh shit, I just fucking slipped. Woo. So we up in Meijer's. Oh, this is gonna be a badass vlog. I'm gonna run over here because I think Meijer's open. So what I had in mind for the last vlog, I'm gonna have to scratch that one. Whew. Man, it's still recording. I can't believe it. Fell. Been walking like about 30-40 minutes, probably an hour in total now, getting over here to Meijer. So I had something in mind. Going into Kohl's, so we're gonna have to save that one for another vlog. So we're back at Meijer's in the winter storm. I gotta wait till I get in there so I can adjust the camera. What, man, I think I broke my wrist. Ouch. People, this is raw and uncut. Wait, listen, don't worry, I'm gonna fix it all. I'm gonna fix the zoom, right? Because it's kind of zoomed in, but the screen is all wet right now. Just bear with me right now for a little bit. It's what is it, 2 minutes? Okay. We're just gonna do a quick vlog. Don't worry about nothing. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go back and check the balances, the Adidas. So we're gonna see what we find here. I mean, we had plans for, like I said, for Kohl's. So there was something else over here. Something else now. So something else in mind. Okay. Give me a second. I'm about to go in here, but you see we up in Meijer's. Boom, Meijer. We did it, yo. Slick with the kicks. BG Kentucky, we did it one more time. All right, give me a second. I gotta put my mask on. I gotta wipe the screen. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna wipe the screen. I'm just gonna wipe the. Oh man, this shit fucked up. Damn it. Okay. Just give me a second. People, put my mask on. Yeah. The winter storm. The winter storm hit. You're going to Meijer's. You're going back to where it all started for us. Man. See? Boom. Still at peace. Still with it. Always peace. Okay, wait a second. So I gotta fix. Damn it. We over here. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix everything. It's just I gotta fix myself first. Whoa. Okay, we in the shoes now. Let me see if I can kind of fix everything over here. Wipe off the camera and around the camera, so everything in place. Okay, now let me see if I gotta zoom out or something. Give me a second. Okay, much better. We just adjusted. Now listen, now we back over here on the shoes, and I kind of slipped last time. Something that I forgot to show y'all, because I mean, this is pretty much what like I said over here at Meijer's is where my little shoe hub. So okay, wait a second. Damn, I like this. This ain't bad. What's this? Falls Creek? Falls Creek? Oh, I think I broke my shoulder again. You know, I'm on that gray. Check my shit out, boom, I'm on that gray. Oh, and I got my war readies too. My LUG to the Z's. Now listen, this is what I forgot to show y'all, but I don't think they rocking nothing cool right now. Boom. They some Reeboks over here. They got the classics over here. Boom. Yeah. You can best believe that I got me this one over here. I got something special for this one, because I got something special for, because I already got this one. That's what I'm saying. Boom. I think I'm gonna customize that one, and then boom. Let me see which one they got here. They haven't restocked on the. That one over there. So they haven't restocked on the. Here's a 9. What's this? Okay, boom. But they haven't restocked on this one. This is a basketball one. This is the Royal. Reebok Royal. Let me grab it good. Let me take this off. Okay, so as you can see. Yep. It's a nice one right there, boom. Patent leather red right there, boom. Nice design right here on the bam, boom, in the back. Of course, the REEBOK. It's all okay. Put it back in there. Okay, so yeah, I ain't gotta worry about these. My bad, y'all. Damn it. That's what happens when you gotta respect the shoe. You care too much, but you take too much time. Boom. Okay. Oh yeah, they're over there now. Y'all already saw this, so this is pretty much where we're going back again. It seems like they probably restocked a little bit. It seems like they oh yeah, it looks like they might have restocked or just cleaned it up a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit more organized. I mean, where should we start? Oh man, I wish they had. I'm already rocking this one right here. This is that one right there. Boom, on the top. Okay, they just organized everything, so I mean, it's all good. But what am I gonna do? Okay, let's just go over here real quick. Boom, 9.5. That's my Gwen Stefani, that's my Okay, this one is the Solar Drive. This one we already saw last time. Boom, it's kind of like a repeat. Try to show you good, because I don't want to miss. I think the first vlog came out a little bit blurry. I mean, it's just the definition of the camera pretty much, but I'm gonna go a little bit more easier. I don't think we saw this one last time. Boom. Which one's this one? This one is the Sense Boost. Got the Sense Boost right there. Of course, we saw this one last time. Yeah, and that one too. Okay. Somebody cares around here now. Somebody cares around here now. Because they organize everything pretty now. Boom. Okay. Of course. Let's see what else we got. It's a nice foam right there. Boom. Light motion. That one ain't bad looking though, you know? Okay, listen. I know that we already kind of saw all this last time. I'm gonna try to see if there's something that we missed. last time, because this probably is something that we. This is that one, of course. Let's just. That's the Grand Court. That's the Grand Court. We gotta be careful because we got the associates now walking around. They're probably checking, so we're gonna see. Yep, we're on the New Balances, but we're gonna get there. Man, that one, it's like they shined them or something like that. Like somebody came around and just polished all the shoes and kind of like organized them. It's the one I got. Oh no, wait, that ain't the one that I got my kid though. But that one's probably around here. Oh, that one's that one right there. Pure Motion. This one probably could have. This one probably could have gotten my kid too. I mean, I could have gotten my kid this one too. Bam, this is badass though. I might though. I might come back for that one though. You know me. I mean, I'm compulsive compulsion. That's the one that I got my KDL right there. Boom, that New Balance. Let me see. Okay, I know I keep. It seems like I got something that keeps skipping back to the New Balances. We're gonna get over there. Ooh, wait a second. Okay, that's the same one. Boom. Dailies. That's that one right there. The skate shoe, of course. Y'all know. That Grand Court. That Grand Court ain't bad. This one looks clean, man. Of course, the gum sole, but like y'all already know, y'all already seen. I got me them other nights over there at the skate shop over at Molotov's the other day. Some strays. Call them straws for like about 30 minutes, but call them for what they really are. What it really is, a strays. Not the straws, the strays. Pardon me. It's a sandwich right here. Boom. Okay, I'm skipping to the New Balances. Just forget it now. If I can find that one. Oh, wait. They do have it in my size. And it's a 4E extra wide. You know what? I really don't care if it's extra wide like that. But I should. Let me see. Because I was trying to get my. Okay, damn, I can do that. I can say. Oh no, I think it's okay. Let me see something. I don't know what to do now. Let me see, because these are the same ones. Crap. These are the same ones that, same ones that I got my kid last time, but these 11s because I can. Okay, I'm in a battle. Because I can guess those for my dad, but I can get me something nice for my. Oh man, no, y'all gonna call me selfish. Don't call me selfish if I get something for myself. Listen, just enjoy the footage right now, okay? See, because this right here, a little bit of a dad. And that one is this one. Let me see. They don't have it in my dad's shit, though. Boom, they have this one here, boom, but they don't. You see, this is all the. I got the other 10.5. This is the other one. I got the other 10.5. That sucks. Now, let me see something. Nah, this one is definitely not. Okay, but they have it in 10. Oh, this is 10 wide. Damn it. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. This is for that one right here. I'm trying to check this one. Freak. Black line, black line, black line. That sucks. I don't think I saw this one last time. Phantom. The Phantom. Check out this one right here, y'all. The Phantom. It's a trail one. Oh, I went back to the trails, huh? 14 minutes. We are at 14 minutes, but this one right here, comfort insert. Man, I'm so bummed now. I'm so bummed now. never gonna have you. I wonder where the other one with the black sole. This one where they had a black sole, they probably sold that one. This one nice though. Same as that one right here. Boom, we saw that one right there. Okay, boom, that one. Now this one way nice. Wait, let me see. Is it not the same one? Yeah, well, yeah, it's got the patent leather right. Oof, nice and shiny, huh? That patent leather. Boom, it's got the fresh foam. We know that New Balance got the fresh foam. Okay, but this is extra wide. Why you gotta be extra wide, yo? Let me see. It's because this is that famous sandwich. This is that famous sandwich. It's that one right there. That's the sandwich. Oh, but this one. Oh man, this one looks so. Oh, this is not the same one from last time. Is it? This is kind of another style right here. Ooh. Ooh. But this is, I don't know. Let me check this. Let me check this wide thing over here. Alto. It's the alto. The alto. Let me check this. I don't know about this wide. I think it might be okay, because I am kind of looking for something just like this, but I don't know if you know what, the wide really doesn't matter. Ladies and gentlemen, this shoe right here is a winner. This is a winning shoe right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's got that pull tab, white pull tab. Fresh foam, New Balance, man. New Balance is okay. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Did I do that? Did I do that? It ain't my fault. Did I do that? Okay. This is what this. Oh man, I'm so selfish. I'm so selfish. Please, people. Please, people. Don't judge me, people, please. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let me check the other. What's this? Is that black one right there? Don't judge me, people. It's that black cat. Kind of like a black cat. Oh, is this like non-slip or something? Balance resistant footwear provides. Yep, slip. If you need to go to work, this is what you gotta put on. Okay. Let me see. You see, I like. This ain't that bad though. I think this is the one that we saw. Abs RB. Kind of saw last time. At least today it's out. They brought it out to. Oof. The outsole right there in the bottom though. Woo. 517. New Balance 517s. Listen, we're getting good footage today. Okay. This is like an emergency call right here. Boom, it's got the knit. It's got that mesh. Kind of like a knit. It's knit. Something like that. Listen, I mean, not no expert, y'all know, but we're gonna do what we do. I'm just gonna show you the flashy stuff. These are those right there on the top. Let's check them out. This is them terrains. Perfect. I mean, I should get these two, man, for my bikers. I mean, I already got mine. These though are a little bit tougher though. This for that hard terrain. Like I got. Oof, I like the laces though. It might be the same laces as the ones that I got. The ones over there. Boom, you see them? I'm gonna go over there and check them. They got this one though. Boom, and they got him extra wide. What? Do they know I'm here? Do they know that I need extra wide? Because I mean, I'm 9.5 still 9.5, but my feet right here, boom. I don't know if they got wide during, I don't know, probably like during the pandemic or something like that. I think that's probably what happened. The pandemic, it widened my my feet. That's an excellent. That's the one. That's the one we saw last time. Boom. This perfect dash shoe right here. Shit, man, I can get it for myself. I mean, Whew, it's the 608. Let me see if they got it from my. Not really. They ain't got it from my. But rather, well, I mean, I'm not gonna take the chance. You know what? I'm gonna get selfish today. I'm gonna go for myself because I'm watching a lot of stuff for myself. I'm watching a. Dang it. It's kind of like a training shoe. It's a training. Which one's this one? Oh, okay, that's the one over there in the top. I like the outsole though. That black, white, gray. This, I mean, they know. They know. They know my style. Sorry, please. Okay, we're definitely gonna go with something. Okay. Show y'all again. These are the ones I got. Show y'all again. It's the ones I got. You see this all-terrains right here too. Boom. But this is way softer. This way better. It's more breathable for the trail runners in the summertime. Boom. You see it's got those same laces. I like those laces. Put you like that. Boom. Damn it. Okay, let's see what else. What's down here? 10.5. Oh, okay, that was that one. That was that one. Same ones. What's this? Trail runners. Probably the same ones. Because that one's a good one too, right there. Boom. Okay, so let's just go back to the sandwich. Let's go back to the hero sandwich. I didn't even know the hero sandwich was. I didn't even know that it looked like that. It had that gray right here. This right here. I didn't even know. I don't even think it's the same one from last time. But this is badass. I'm gonna get it. Forget it if it's. Oh. Let's go back to the Adidas real quick. Because they got this. I haven't finished showing y'all. Somebody organized. This ain't bad though. This ain't bad. Let me see if I can kind of get the light. See, okay, kind of like that. What's this? Boom. Cloud foam. The cloud foam. Oh man, where is it? Okay. You see, that one ain't bad now, but yo, that New Balance swipes this one. I mean, Adidas, y'all doing your thing. I mean, I ain't disrespecting, but expecting the unexpected. Wait a second. Expecting the unexpected. Wait a second. Okay, this is that one right here. Boom. You see, this is the same one. It looked badass though. I should have gotten this one from my. Oh no. Oh yeah, they do. Oh, they got it in black though. Okay, let me see the black one. The black is it this same one? It's probably that one right there. Yeah, it's light red. It's the same one. Let me see it. All black. It's not bad. Though. Commit a felony real quick. Just commit a crime real quick. It ain't bad. No. Hey y'all. Y'all stay chill. Y'all stay chill. There's a winter storm outside, and we just rushed in here. Okay, look. That's the real deal. Oh, that's the 608. That's the same one in the gray. Pow. Po. Okay. We did it, man. We did it again. Yo, who's putting all the shoes looking that way? But it's just, if you're gonna put them that way, don't put the left one. Put the right one looking that way. Don't put the left one looking that way. Put the left one looking that way. Oh man, let's go. We still here, right? We still here. Take it easy. We still here. What's here? What's in here? Is that the same one over there? Yeah, that's that one over there. This one right here, boom. Show you the details real quick. Pow. Show you the details. Okay, we're at 30 minutes. Almost, or 25. Almost 30. Nice mesh though. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all y'all know the winner already. I'm gonna be selfish today, and it's wide. I don't, damn, man, this is extra wide. Why is this extra wide? But the thing is that it's so badass. It's kind of like the perfect summer okay, I'm definitely gonna make this one my main runner then. This New Balance, I think I'm gonna make this one my main runner. But it's just, I don't know if I don't know, man. I'm so confused. I think I'm just gonna use my other trainer to run, because the other trainer is pretty comfortable. But this shit right here, doggy, yeah, you see that material right there, that kind of dash of kind of blue or something. There you go, y'all. Now y'all can probably see a little bit better. Man, this is the one. Let me check that it's, of course, let's go through the process. 9.5. Let's have a smell. Go down the Smells good. Good smell. Let's see if it's got some blemishes. Got no blemish, no hardcore blemishes. Some we can wipe that off. We can wipe all that shit off. God dang it, I scored again, yo. That pull tab right there is what puts that accent. Bow. That's the icing on the K. That's the icing on the K. Okay, let me check the other one real quick. I'm a freak, you know? Sneaker freak. Hello. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Okay. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a sneaker problem. But hey, we shopping in the snow, in the winter storm. We shopping for sneakers in the winter storm. So I should be shopping for this one right here. But I already got the war readies. Adidas. I mean, y'all okay? That one's good. Listen, man, you're a cool looking one, man, and you right there too. I can take it, but damn, I'm going with the what's these calls? We'll find out later, cause I mean, these motherfuckers put this shit like nobody gives a shit up in the box. Like I don't know, like some kind of like Egypt, like I don't know, like a hieroglyphics or something. Look at that. Somebody left this here. Boom, disrespecting. Come on, man, don't do that. I'ma take care. Okay, wait, I gotta be careful. Gotta watch out. Respect the shoes, people. Respect the shoes, man. Where you at? Oh, let's check out the Asics one more time. I just remembered there's some Asics over here. Let's put back the we're putting back the Reebok over that somebody 11.5. Listen, probably somebody gotta. You see what happens? There's no respect, man. Let me focus the camera again. Boom. Ain't no respect. Okay. Shopping in the storm. Boom. You see? It ain't bad. Listen, Skechers. I mean, I know you got the bad rep because you probably ain't kind of like the outcast in school or something like that, you know. Ain't nobody like you or something, you know. A little different, but you carry yourself around, man. You carry yourself around. Proud of you, waterproof. Proud of you. Oh, that's a suede too, and that's a waterproof suede. Cause suede and water. Hell no. Let me see what we got here. Okay, these are the LAs. Oh, look at little KSwiss. Oh, look at that. We got some KSwiss. Check the KSwiss. Let's check the KSwiss, man. Let's give KSwiss its okay. KSwiss. What is poppin'? KSwiss? Hello, KSwiss. Boom, shock spring. Wait a second. Is this shit around here for me? And I didn't even know about it. This is, wow, Meijer. Myers did it again. Myers came back, but I want to see. Nah, no. Let's not even check my size, and let's just check the. Boom. I think that's the same one. You see, but this one is not displayed up top, so you got to pow. Okay, wait a second. Is it the same one? Low? No, wait a second. Men's low. What? Let's just open this shit, man. Why are we even? Oh yeah, it's all boom. And that's a low. That shit almost high as shit. Okay, I think this is another one. Ooh, bigger box. Let's see what's here. Surprise, surprise. It's fuck. Oh, it's just bigger size though. Okay. KSwiss tends to they tend to get up there in price, you know, but let me see what this is. Yeah, I think that's the same one, yeah. The thing that the other one got a red accent. This one's kind of straight black and white. Kind of straight black and white. Oh, is that kind of golf? This might be golf. It might be golf or something like that. If it's golf, let me check over here. Low cut navy red. What's this? White. CMF. Cut. Oh, 9.5, and this is mine too. Boom, and I can't believe I found mine. Black, silver. I just want to know because this is weird though. I don't know if this is. You see this case, you know, damn. Shock spring. Is those the shock springs? Or is it just shock springs? That shit right? It's this shit. Oh yeah, it's kind of foamy. I thought it was like kind of like a traily one or something, but that shit ain't bad though. I see you, KSwiss. They coming in. And H. What's this? LA. Let's give LA a little love. LA a little. Listen, man, we're going to more than half an hour. These Meijer blogs are real. Memory foam. Boom. Okay, wait a second. LA gear. I know the LA gears. They were having a little bit of a bad rep for a while or something. I remember I had the LA lights when I was like in 2nd grade or something like that. Was it? Still over here. Let me see. Is this another KSwiss? I think it's the same one. Yeah. You see that one's that one, but oh look. Oh, there's another Adidas over here. Bam. Where'd this come from? Is that one over here? Yo, look. Pow. Yo, look at that. Oh, this right here. Feel real. I think, yeah, that's the light motion. Where's that one? That one ain't here. No Adidas over here. Roberts. Okay. Let's go back to. So yeah, so the gears. I had the lights when I was in 2nd grade. The LA lights. What the fuck? Okay, let's check this one right here, because this is the different box. The different look. Oh, look at that. Okay. So this is okay. So this is the bat rep one. Let me see. Okay, lime green. LA gear. Lime green. Hey, this ain't bad. Look at that. Little. Hey, wait a second. I got it. Let me see. Boom. Whoa, LA gear. Damn, this is 40 right here. This ain't bad though. I mean, it's got the lime green, gray, black. Damn, I'm feeling a little bit sensitive. What size is this? 11. Okay, I guess we can still keep looking around. Nobody said anything. Whoa, where's mine? Okay, Whew. Whew. Okay. Let's see what else is here. There's nothing here on this side. Boom. Arroyo. KSwiss Arroyo. Arroyo. Back home, Arroyo. KSwiss Arroyo. At that, Arroyo, Puerto Rico, que es la que? Puerto Rico in the house, Arroyo. Okay, Arroyo. Gray. Ooh, KSwissy. It's 11.5. 11.5. What's it say? Pow. The phone got a little name? No, it's just the logo right there. Boom. Pow. Man, I always spend time on these Arroyo. On these man. Oh. Let's check this Reebok, bro. On these Meijer blogs, I'm seeing that Meijer's. Oh man. Oh, look for the little girl. Oh man, that's so. That's nice right there. Boom. That's nice. Get your little girls. Come over here and get your little girl system right here. Reebok, Flexagon Kids, infants. Oh, that's that's cute. That's cute. Black and white. It's just the same one. Arroyo. Arroyo. Ooh, okay, Arroyo. Okay, Arroyo, mama. Peace. KSwiss Arroyo. Man. This is badass. Yo, we going in on these vlogs. I don't care. It can be an hour. I don't care. It can be an hour. I don't care. But I do care about taking my. Ooh, I like these right here. Look at that suede. That's ain't. Listen, I know that I'm looking over here. So, oh, Dr. Scholl. Oh, this is Dr. Scholl right here. Dr. Scholl. Oh, crap. Dr. Scholl's. They're not just doing the soles. They're doing the whole thing now. Dr. Scholl's. Boom, with the gray. Dr. Scholl's. They ain't scared. What's that? Boom. Boom. Dr. Scholl. Let me show you again. Boom. Focus good. Focus good. Focus. And it's right there. Okay. We're still here. You see? All them Dr. Scholl's. We got a navy. Boom. Omegas. What's this? Milestone. What's this? Ooh, okay. You see, it's kind of like a. Ooh, nice trail. Nice trail. Trail shoe. Dr. Scholl. We going. But let's take a look at the what else is all in there? What's this? Lifestyle? Fila lifestyle. Panache, poem, tie-dye. That's for the ladies, women. Boom. Listen, we gotta be on the lookout because I mean everything is hitting. Everything is hitting. And I don't care. I'm gonna put all the wide Fila 8.5 Evergrande. Y'all want me to show you Filas? I think this is for the girls. Is this girls? No, that's men's right there. Oh, well, this Skechers is for the girls for real. Okay. Fila was popping. I'll give you love, man. Fila. Fila. Ooh. Trainers. Fila ain't never left. Fila was always there. Listen, I can't let this video be more than an hour for real. So, Andrew, LA's. What's that one? I'm interested. Cause I got, cause my jacket there. Andrew Mark, New York. Is this the same one? Oh yeah, it's the same one. I can't let this vlog go for more than an hour. Probably 50 minutes, not even more than 50. So let me see. I'm gonna see what else. I'm gonna see what else. Got the Asics. There they are right here. It's a 9.5. Size 9. Boom. Those are the I think we saw these. Oh crap. think we saw these the other day. A6 was popping. And 5.5. Oh, I like this. Well, so it lets you feel how it is on the phone. Okay. It's obvious. Avi Ultras. Boom. That's the black one. I think I'll get you into that. Yeah, I think we kind of saw that one. Joe Contendo Venture. Which one's okay? That's the same Content 6. Boom. Content 6 Joe Ventures. Joe Ventures. Content 6 gels. Boom. I think we good with the A6. Okay, AV, I see you. Wanna be a badass and shit. Boom, that Fila. Okay. Memory foam for the dads, the daddios. That's good. Fila's is a good choice for the dads. I've gave my dad before a couple of Filas. I mean, they right here when it get down here, it might be a little bit, but that's just mass protection right here, though. It's just for the protection. You see, it's meshy right there on this. Oh, look at that. Oh, you serious, Fila? Fila feeling like Terminator all of a sudden. I see you, Fila. I see you, Fila. I think that's the same one from, like that camel right there. Okay, listen, it's 40. We gotta get the hell out of here. We gotta get the hell out of here. It's a nice throw right here. There's another long one though, but we did it. Boom. Fila. Man, freak it, man. We here forever. Oh wait, that's another one right here. Pow! I think we saw like a gray one the other day. It's kind of like that one. Oh, can't disrespect and do that. That A6. Ooh, okay. Look, see now this is where Fila. This is where Fila does its thing right here. Now this is why Filas are always a go-to. I remember you could cop these over here, over at Marshall's back home in PR. Okay, for cheap, for hella cheap. It's a wide, boom, Fila. Fila, what's poppin'? What's poppin', Fila? Wow. We went in on this vlog right here. We went in on this vlog. So we gotta go. It's 43. Boom. You can see the A-lows. A-low. I think that one's here. A-low. Speed. Very stir. There's a lot of. You see, boom. Right there, boom. What's this Adidas right here? For the kiddos or something. No, this is a low one right here. But damn. Ooh. Adidas was popping. It's like everybody fighting over here, boom. Adidas fighting, boom. And then Aces right here, boom. And then New Balance, bap, 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 boom. And everybody just meant punching each other. Take it easy, y'all. Okay. We gotta get out of here. I'm going crazy now. I'm starting to turn crazy. Evergrande Camo, I think we saw that one already, boom. Okay, we're on our way out. We might get a shirt. We might get a shirt. Wait a second, because I might. Oh no. What? Which one was it? It has like bam, bam. Damn. If I can find that one, nah, man, because that's boot. I need some sports shit. Man, I can come over here. How much is it? 2, 3. I don't know which one to get. Let me see. At least I know that I can come over here now. I'm kind of undecided because I need to get some laces, but ain't got what I need though right here. or the color that I need. They have the color right there, but not for the, they got it for boot. They don't got it for kind of like a casual. Let's go to the because I think I'm gonna get let me adjust this right here. Pow. Oh look, they got some Reebok. Let me see if I'm gonna get, boom, of course, WKU was popping. I think let me see, we're back to these shirts. I think I'm gonna, my kid needs, oh man, they got this shit badass though. No, I already got my kid some other shirts, but I think I need to get him another one. Most likely this, what's this? Journey? Oh, not Journey. Let me see if there's like a oh, that's super extra. Super extra. I don't need the super extra. I need, please be, no, please, next, no, next. Oh crap. See if I can find, why can't I find that size? Are you joking me? What? Well, they got my size at least. Oh man, it can't be that they ain't got, oh what? They joking. They must be joking. How can you not have that size? Give me a second, people. Because that's super extra. This is medium. What's this one right here? This one is medium. Okay. Wow, all of them medium. It's large? Nope. And then this one is, so that's my size, but not the one that I need. Okay, this is crazy. Oh wow, 47. Listen, respect. You gotta respect everything, okay? Okay, people, we here. Okay, the thing is, like, okay, they don't have kid size. Oh, crap. Missing pics right now. I don't think he'll. I do want to get him the extra though. I don't mind getting him the extra. Should I? Now that I just messed up everything. Dang it, this is the medium. This is too extra. Let's get out of here. We scored on the whoa. We scored on the shoes. I think we spent a lot of time over there. That was unnecessary, but we still on it. Let's check the hats real quick. Probably get me a hat. Let me see what they have. Nah, nothing for me. Or maybe. What's this? What's this brand? Outdoor cap. I kind of like this one. I got plenty of caps already. I'm kind of crazy over here, right? Oh, the Cincinnati Reds ain't bad though, but I ain't a Reds fan like that. Wait a second though. Oh, that's the Reds. Okay, we gotta go. Come on, because I don't want to be here more than an hour. And it's about to fall. It's about to fall again. The winter storm, I mean. What's that? Is there somebody somebody? Because I think somebody has to. Let me see. Can I pay through here? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's just that I think that shoes got a tag or some kind of like. My bad if y'all were. No,
Alright, can I do the same thing? No, you over right there. I just did that. That's crazy, man. I know these got a tag on it for sure.
Yeah, I guess some of them do and some of them don't or something. I don't know if.
No, it's straight. That's not bringing these down. You want me in the bag?
Yeah, please.
You know, the total is 56, 54. Alright, 355 change. Here's your receipt.
Alright, man. Appreciate it, man.
I got you.
Thank you, man. Alright. We scored. Once more. Man, I should have bought some water. Damn it. Oof. Look at the snow, y'all. Oh, we can get out. Where we get out from? Oh, I think we gotta go through the other exit. Come on, I don't want to be here an hour. I don't want to do this video for more than an hour. Okay, we're rushing now. We're rushing. It's looking a little bit better. Okay, right here. Woo. It's starting to come down now. Meijer's, we did it again. Wait a second, y'all.